Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to American Express online banking account. So let's get started without further ado. First, open a web browser. In the URL box, type in americanexpress.com and press enter to end up in the official site for American Express. To log into your online banking account, go and click the login button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the login page from where you can access your account by entering your credentials. To log into your account, first, enter your user ID associated with your online banking account. On the next field, enter your correct password. From the drop down right beneath the password box, you can select where you want to end up right after you log into the account. Now, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials, you can check this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked. And then finally click the login button and you'll be able to log in and access your American Express online banking account. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, get help by clicking on the Forgot User ID or the password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged into your account, you can manage your account online, view your balance, make any transaction, and much more. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.